Live event production is hard, and selling sponsorships and booths while managing all the paperwork, payments, communications, and logistics that come with them can be extremely time-consuming. Add in the hunt to find new partners year after year, and it can all feel pretty overwhelming. The founders at EventHub have walked in your shoes and have solved your problem. They designed a platform that helps events match with new potential partners. EventHub's searchable marketplace funnels tens of thousands of brands, agencies, and local businesses into event showcase pages featuring attendee demographics, multimedia, and bookable partnership opportunities. From there, the platform streamlines the process with tools like custom applications, automated payments, a dashboard to batch manage paperwork, messaging, and logistics, and live floor plans. We also have a virtual expo module rich with integrated sponsorship assets for organizers needing to deliver virtual or hybrid programming to their audience. Customers save up to 80% of the time previously spent managing partnerships, allowing them to focus on what matters most. Visit EventHub to learn how you can join the community of event organizers who are increasing partnership revenue while saving time managing booths and sponsors.